Hello children, good morning. Welcome back again. As we have learned E sound words yesterday, so today we will revise for the same. Let's revise E sound words. E says E.
E sound words. E says E. The first picture is den. Lion lives in a den. D says the. E says A. N says n. The den. नेट यानी जाली जिसमें हम फिश पकड़ते हैं. N says n. E says A. T says t. Net. Hen. It is a farm bird. H says her. E says A. N says n. Her n hen. Pen. It is what we write with. P says p. E says A. N says n. P n pen. Keg. K a g keg. It means big drum जिसमें हम पानी भी भर सकते हैं. वेट. वेट यानी गीला. T wet. WET wet. Leg. 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 LEG leg. Peg. 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 PEG peg यानी clip. Bed. Bed. BED bed जिसमें हम सोते हैं. Pet. Pet. PET pet. Animals that live with us. Red. Red. RED red. It is a color. Wed. Wed. WED wed. These are all E sound words.
We will write E sound words in our English classwork book.
Today we have to write English classwork book page number 98. So let's start. E sound words. E says E. But first we have to write today's date. (7-1-2021). Which picture is this? Keg. Keg. K-E-G. Keg. For alphabet K. Make a standing line. Now from the first blue line make a slant line and another slant line. For alphabet E, make a curve, go up, C curve, touch the second blue line. For alphabet G, make a C curve, go up, come down, standing line, turn, G. K says K. E says E. G says G. K, keg. K, E, G, keg. Now wet. Wet. For alphabet W, first blue line to second blue line slant line. Go up with a slant line, come down slant line, again go up, make a slant line. For alphabet E, make a curve, go up, C curve, touch the second blue line. T, standing line, come down, make a turn. First blue line, make a sleeping line. W says wa. E says e. T says t. Wa et t wet. W E T wet. Leg. Leg. For alphabet L, make a standing line. E, make a curve, go up, C curve. E, G, C curve, go up, come down, standing line, make a turn. L says la. E says e. G says g. Leg. L E G, leg. Peg. P-E-G, peg. For alphabet P, make a standing line, go up, reverse C. For E, make a curve, go up, C curve. For alphabet G, C curve, go up, come down, make a turn. P says pa. E says e. G says g. Peg. P E G peg. Now we have to write page number 99. First picture is bed. 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 For alphabet B, standing line, go up, make a reverse C. For alphabet E, make a curve, go up, C curve. For alphabet D, standing line, go up, C curve. B says B. E says A. D says D. The bed. B E D bed. Now pet. Pet. For alphabet P, blue line to red line, standing line, go up, make a curve. Make a curve, go up, C curve. For alphabet T, standing line, come down, make a turn, sleeping line. P says P. E says A. T says T. Pet. P E T pet. Which picture is this? Red. 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 R-E-D. Red. For alphabet R, standing line, go up, make a curve. For alphabet E, curve, go up, C curve, touch the second blue line. For alphabet D, standing line, go up, C curve. R says R. E says A. D says D. Red. R E D red. Wed. wed, wed, W-E-D, wed. For alphabet W, make a slant line, go up with a slant line, come down, slant line, again slant line. For alphabet E, make a curve, go up, C curve. For alphabet T, standing line, go up, make a C curve. W says wa. E says e. D says d. Va, e, d, wed. W, E, D, wed. You have to complete both the pages like this. You have to complete homework book page number 61 and page number 62.
Now we will do one activity.
In this activity, we have to identify the picture and circle the correct E sound words. So, let's start. Now, first picture is, yes, peg. So, which is the correct E sound words? It is la egga leg or pa egga peg. Yes, it is pa egga peg. So, we will circle on it. It is a keg. So, again, which is the correct E sound words? It is a ka egga keg or la egga leg. Yes, it is ka egga keg. So, we will circle it. Now, what is this? Yes, it is a red color. So, again, which is correct E sound word? Is it ba at a bed or ra at a red? Yes, it is ra at the red. R-E-D, red. So, we will circle it. Now, again, what is this? Yes, pet. So, again, which one is correct E sound words? Is it pa at a pet or wa at a wet? Yes, it is pa at a pet. So we will circle it. Now what is this? Wet. Again, which one is correct E sound words? It is ra at the red or wa at a wet. Yes, so we will circle on it.
Hope you all enjoyed learning E sound words. So, see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye.